Now, how long does it take someone to learn to ride a bike? 3 days? Take a little kid, 3 days, you know? Yeah, that's how long it takes you to learn to use a Wacom tablet. But you got to get over the hump. And once you get over the hump, you'll never go back. So I'm going to do something that you can only do on a Wacom tablet. And like I said, it speeds things up a lot. So that's my plug for Wacom. I'm just telling you right now, it's worth every penny to go and get the right tools. And if you're going to retouch 8 hours a day or 4 hours a day or whatever it is, save you a lot of time. So here's what I'm going to do with this Wacom tablet and brush. I'm going to taper this brush from the top to the side, right? Make it look like there's light streaking from outside of the frame. So I'm on my white, I'm on my brush, I'm on about 30-30. I'm going to go and have the shift key here ready. I'm going to click. So I'm going to go click and then boom. So let's do Command Z and we're going to start over. Let's make it a little smaller. Click, boom. Okay, so I'll make it a little smaller. I'm going to start in the same spot. Boom. Whoops, still not quite as small as I'd like. So let's go again. So I want to vary my light here. That was a little too sharp. I have my pressure set up here so that being how hard I click it. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm tapering, or it's tapering automatically to get fatter as you go down, right? So I do all my stadiums, all those streaks that you see me do is this little technique. I'm not done yet, so let me show you. I'm going to add a mask to that. So down at the very bottom, it's the, I guess you would say, second icon to the left. You click that, and now I have a mask. And I'm going to fill that mask with black. So it's just Command I inverts it. So now my little selection's gone. But I'm going to go into the gradient tool, go to the first little icon up there, and it says it is a linear gradient. And I'm going to, depending on what my foreground and background is, let's just go this way. We're going to pull it up in the direction we had it, and boom, it now tapers that selection, go from brighter to less. It's helping sell the fake. Now, if I use a Command T, free transform, I can move that around. I can shrink it, stretch it, do this to it, whatever I want to do to it, once I have it. So we're not done. We're not done selling the fake yet, folks. So I'm going to bring it over here to this light source. And I might add a little blur to it, depending on you know, how it looks. But let's say there's not enough blur, there's not enough glow there. Just go Command J, doubles it. And I can take and feather that one back. See that? And I can take that one, do a Command T, Control, flip horizontal. I can bring it over here. So let's get this thing out of the way here. Brush. Come on. So I can bring that one over here. And I don't want these equal, but the point is I can duplicate what I've already done. Does that make sense? So let's just say we'll leave that one Command. Let's see if that's right. Yeah. So let's just have a streak from one side for right now. Now, I'm not done yet. Shift Command N. I'm also going to put a blast of flare over here because we don't live in a perfect world, and so it's better to sell a fake by doing mistakes. We call them mistakes.